I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Fiat 500 key cover. First, make sure you have your new key cover and a small flathead screwdriver ready. It's important that the new cover is compatible with your specific key type. This simple process will refresh the look of your key and protect its internal components. Let's get started with the first step to give your key a fresh, new appearance. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation along the edge of your key. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key cover should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the internal electronics or the key itself. This step reveals the inner workings. With the key open, you can now remove the old cover pieces. Inside, you'll find the transponder chip and the battery. These are crucial for your car's ignition and remote functions. Gently lift them out and set them aside. Make sure to note their orientation so you can place them correctly into the new cover. This ensures your key will function perfectly after reassembly. Finally, let's assemble your new key cover. Carefully place the transponder chip and battery into their designated spots within the new cover, ensuring correct orientation. Then, align the two halves of the new key cover. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Test your key to ensure all functions work. Your key now looks brand new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.